Hi everyone, my name is Electro and today we're back reviewing another game. Today we're reviewing a game called Pipote, I'm thinking. I think the guy who made it is Spanish, so maybe it means something, or maybe it makes more sense being spoken. But anyway, hello, this is my project which I've been creating since 2018. It is created in the old GameMaker 8.1, it's another one of them. Becoming less and less popular. Especially with the two generations afterwards. So maybe consider updating. I don't think it's too hard to do. Anyway. But anyway, I'm a lover of retro games, so this project tries to obtain that essence, inspired in games of ships. So I'm guessing like the asteroid games. I'm thinking is what he means there. But anyway, for now I only have one level. The version is a playable prototype. Surely I will make greater changes in the future. I hope you like it. Greetings. So the first thing that screamed to me, just on a purely graphical level, was that the download link was in the video description. Now, if people are coming to look at your game, they might want to play it. And they don't really want to mess around by clicking on videos and going into the description and stuff. So maybe just put the link there as well. It's pretty simple. Yeah, that's something that would just speed up the process. Also, the download link was on a website called Mega, which generally I'd advise against using because you kind of don't know what you're getting with it a lot of the time. The virus stuff isn't as good. So maybe put it on like Google Drive or something. Would probably be a bit better. Or even things like Mediafire or anything, really. I just generally advise against Mega. But yeah, small things. We haven't actually played the game. So, you get this nice kind of graphic pop-up. It's not quite full screen, which is a little bit weird to me, because most people are playing on this. But if you're going for the retro feel, I guess it makes sense. But it's not really normal retro size. So, yeah, I'm not quite sure what's going on there. So yeah, we're going to press F1 for help because I don't really know what we're doing. This is pretty nice. Okay, some spelling mistakes and stuff. Capital O. That should be shoot. Okay, so J is to shoot. That's a little bit odd. We'll give it a go though. So enter to start. Alright. I don't know what this does. Okay, so yeah, it's basically asteroids by the looks of things, but relatively simple so far. These things don't seem to shoot. These ones do, but very slowly. And we can even walk forward, so it makes it a lot easier. I guess the aim is to get a good score. Okay, I died from that. I think that's me gone. Okay, so the difficulty does pick up quite quickly. High score of 28 there. So let's try it again, and let's actually think of what's going on. So at its core, it's quite simple. Yeah, you're running forwards all the time, and you've got to... What happens if we get caught? Okay. Yeah, so you got to shoot the things. You don't have to. You could be completely passive if you wanted to. Yeah, I'm not quite sure about them. Okay, so yeah, the game is pretty similar to like Space Invaders and stuff. So yeah, we'll try and think of specific gameplay, because in terms of the idea, I think the idea is absolutely fine. I don't see anything wrong with the idea, and yeah, okay, that's something that is a problem. Just straight away, it's a small thing, but it's not ideal. So what happened there is I died normally by hitting an enemy. I respawned, and then as soon as I respawned, I died again, which means I lose my life instantly, and I go to the game over screen. So something you could use to get around this, and just something that a lot of games do tend to do, is have a period of invulnerability. So just a period after you respawn of about 2 seconds where you can't take any damage or you can't lose a life. That just allows people to get into the right kind of position. I also think maybe standardize the controls a little bit. So at the moment, J is our shoot key, and enter is our key for entering things. So starting new games and all that sort of stuff. So I think perhaps change the enter key. That's the same problem again. Either the enter key or the J key to do the same thing. So you could basically just spam through games really quickly. Yeah, but it's up to you which path you kind of take that down. I don't know what I'm collecting as well. There's something I was trying to figure out. So each one of these seems to... Oh, okay, it gives us a different thing. And that thing, we can then press K and it'll kind of do it for us. Right, okay. It'll do something for us. Okay. Yeah, we're in a bit of a situation. So those bat things maybe need a little bit of explanation. And this is probably a game where I would suggest having a tutorial of some sort. Solely because there's a lot of things going on. Initially, there's not a lot. Enter's apparently not working. Okay, yeah, so to start with, there's not that much. Simple enemies that shoot and whatnot. But when it starts to get a little bit harder, maybe you just need to introduce them. So say, here's a bat. The bats won't attack you, but unless you're directly underneath them. That's one way of doing it. Yeah, there's several different things you could do. Just to introduce the ideas to the player, because otherwise you're kind of going in blind, and it's not great. It'll make it kind of not amazing for the first bit. Of course, once they learn it, it'll be the same game, but you could just skip that learning stage out, which could cause frustration as well by just adding a tutorial, or even in the help section, just explaining a few simple things. It would be pretty good to see. But other than that, like, the art is quite good. I haven't listened to the music, but from what I heard earlier, it was quite good. In fact, the art and the music were very good, so we can completely ignore them. They are absolutely fine. It's just small gameplay things that maybe need to be reconsidered. Not even necessarily wrong, just things that could be thought out just a little bit more from a player's perspective as well, which is the biggest thing. It's quite tricky to get a accurate representation of how good the game is from a developer, because they're always going to look at it from a developer standpoint. So that was going to be my review of Pipote. If you like this video, remember to like, subscribe, or do as you want to do, and I will talk to you in the next one.